Assembly of this spout top bulk bag filling frame is very easy and can be completed by 2 people in less than 15 to 20 minutes. After removing the shipping straps, set the upright and spout top aside, and the base can be set on the floor. Make sure the retention bolts are sufficiently clear from the receiving tubes, and the upright section can now be lifted and placed in the rear of the base. Firmly tighten the bolts to secure the upright. For the BagPak 2100, it is important that the channels of the upright are facing to the front. The holder arms can now be lifted up and over the uprights and secured via the hitch pins. These arms are asymmetrical, and you will want to make sure that the horizontal tubes of each are indexed to the outside of the uprights for proper spacing. Before attaching the fill head, be sure the retention bolt is recessed inside the support arm. The fill head can now be lowered over the center upright and secured via the hitch pin. Tighten the retention bolt to level the fill head. The bottom of the seal should be near the bottom of the support arms, placing it 4 to 6 inches above the bag top. The rule of thumb is to have the bag suspended from the pallet so that the corners are approximately 3 to 4 inches up, allowing the bag to stretch properly without any folds or leaning. Readjustment is easily accomplished by removing the hitch pin while holding the arm, adjusting to the desired height, then replacing the hitch and safety pins for each arm. Recheck for proper height. Make the corresponding adjustment to the fill head to maintain correct alignment. Finally, compressed air will need to be connected to the pressure valve. Your BagPak 2100 is now ready for use. Please contact your FormPak representative for information on this or other FormPak products.